Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today, I will discuss the topic operating systems. What is an operating system? An operating system, OS, is a software that manages computer hardware and software resources, provides common services, and runs applications. Types of operating systems: single user, single tasking or operating system designed to manage one user and only one application at a time. Multi user operating system can support multiple user accounts and applications simultaneously. Real time operating system used in systems that require immediate response to external events. Network operating system. Network operating systems are designed to support network computing. They include features for file sharing, printer sharing, communications, and administration in a network environment. Novel Netware is an example of a network operating system. Mobile operating system. Mobile operating systems are designed for smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. They are optimized for touch interfaces and typically support a wide range of applications. For examples include Android, iOS, and Windows Mobile. Embedded operating system. Embedded operating systems are lightweight operating system designed to operate on specialized hardware in embedded systems like appliances, cars, industrial machines, and consumer electronics. They are highly optimized for specific tasks and have minimal hardware requirements. Batch processing operating system. In batch operating system, tasks are collected in batches and processed in a sequence without user interaction. These types of systems are often used in businesses and scientific applications where large volumes of data need to be processed without user intervention. Key features of operating systems. Operating system OS manage computer hardware and software resources, run applications, provide security, and enable communication. Popular operating systems. Windows is the most widely used operating system in the world. Mac operating system is a popular operating system used exclusively on Apple computers. Linux is an open source operating system used by developers, businesses, and individuals. Unix, a powerful multi-users, multitasking operating system used in server and workstations. Android, an operating system based on the Linux kernel, primarily used on mobile devices. iOS, developed by Apple Incorporations exclusively for iPhone, iPads, and iPad touch devices. How to choose the right operating systems for you? The operating system is the backbone of your computer. Choose between Windows, Mac operating system, or Linux based on your needs and preferences. Thank you for listening to my presentations about operating system. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.